Good morning, dear children. We will continue our chapter My Childhood. And we were in last video lecture we were talking about the friends of APJ Abdul Kalam. He had three friends: Ramananda Sastri, the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri. Second is Aravindan, and next is Siva Prakashan. So Ramananda Sastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri, who was the priest in Rameswaram temple, and Ramananda Sastri, who was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri, took the charge of his father and became the priest of Rameswaram temple. And next, Aravindan, he went into the business, means he became a businessman to arrange the transport for visiting pilgrims. And third friend was Shiva Prakashan. He became a catering contractor for the Southern Railway. Means here all three friends, first Ramananda Sastri, Aravindan and Shiva Prakashan were APJ Abdul Kalam's friends. And during the annual Sri Sitarama Kalyanam ceremony, our family used to arrange boats with a special platform for carrying idols of the Lord from the temple to the marriage site. Here, next he is talking, means APJ Abdul Kalam talking about his childhood and saying that during the annual Sri Sitarama Kalyanam ceremony, it is a ceremony which used to held there in his town, and during that ceremony he is saying that our family used to arrange the boats, okay, with a platform for carrying idols of Lord from the temple to the marriage site. There was a marriage site just near about his house, and his family used to arrange the boats for the idols of Lord from the temple to the marriage site. And that marriage site was situated in the middle of the pond called Ramatirtha. And that marriage site was called Ramatirtha, which was near our house. Here Abdul Kalam is saying that marriage site Ramatirtha was situated near our house, and events from the Ramayana and from the life of Prophet were the bedtime stories. And he is also saying that the events, the stories of Ramayana and the stories from the Prophet were the bedtime stories of his childhood. By bedtime story, my mother and grandmother would tell the children in our family. Means I would listen these stories of Ramayana and Prophet in my childhood by my mother and grandmother. Next he is saying that one day when I was in the 5th standard at Rameswaram Elementary School, he is talking about the 5th standard. When he was in 5th standard in Rameswaram Elementary School, a new teacher came to our class. Okay, I used to wear a cap which marked me as Muslim. At that time when I was in that elementary school, I used to wear a cap which marked me as a Muslim, and I always sat in the front row next to Ramananda Sastri. Means I would sit there with Ramananda Sastri in classroom in the first bench, and Ramananda Sastri, who wore sacred thread, the new teacher could not stomach a Hindu priest's son is sitting with a Muslim boy. I used to wear cap which marked me as a Muslim, and Ramananda Sastri used to wear sacred thread. He was a Brahmin, and a A new teacher could not stomach. The new teacher who came in my class, he could not stomach, means he could not tolerate that a Muslim boy is sitting with a Brahmin boy, Hindu Christian sitting with a Muslim boy, in accordance with our social ranking as the new teachers saw it. And he could not bear, the new teacher could not bear that I was sitting with a Hindu boy, and according to our social ranking as new teacher saw it, I was asked to go and sit on the back bench. Okay, he asked me, he told me to sit in the last bench, and I felt very sad. I felt very sad, and so did Ramananda Sastri. Okay, at that time when the new teacher told me to sit in the last bench, I felt so sad, and he looked utterly downcast as I shifted to my seat in the last row. And as I was sitting there in the last bench, he looked utterly downcast. Okay, who looked utterly is here? He looked, means Ramananda Sastri was looking gloomy, or he became depressed when I was seated there in the last row. The image of him weeping when I shifted to the last row left a lasting impression on me. And that was the last impression on me when Ramananda Sastri became depressed when I was seated there in the last row. After school, we went home and told our respective parents about the incident. And whatever had happened in the classroom with the teacher, and that incident they told to their respective parents. After the school, Lakshmana Sastri summoned the teacher. Means Lakshmana Sastri means father of Ramananda Sastri. So he summoned the teacher, means he called the teacher, concerned teacher, and in our presence told the teacher that we should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance in the mind of the innocent children. And when Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri summoned that teacher, called that teacher, and told the teacher that he should not spread. You should not spread the poison of social inequality and communal intolerance to the mind of the children. And he bluntly asked the teacher to either apologize or quit the school and the island. And he bluntly means boldly, he clearly told the teacher either apologize or quit the school. Okay? And the island. Not only did the teacher regret his behavior, and the teacher not only regret about his behavior, but also the strong sense of conviction Lakshmana Sastri conveyed ultimately and reformed this young teacher. But the strong sense of conviction means a strong opinion or belief. Conviction, meaning of conviction is strong, a strong opinion or belief. So that teacher, not only did the teacher regret his behavior, but the strong sense of conviction Lakshmana Sastri conveyed ultimately reformed this young man. Ultimately, that the father of Ramananda Sastri, Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri, he reformed that teacher, that young teacher. On the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid in terms of the segregation of different social groups. So, on the whole, ultimately what happened, the small society of Rameshwaram, okay, was very rigid. Here, very rigid, the meaning of very rigid is very tough, means very tough. And in terms of segregation of different social groups, that was totally different. That society, Rameshwaram society, the society of Ramananda Sastri and Kalam, that was totally tough, but that was separated from the other society. And however, my science teacher Siva Subramanya Iyer, though an orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative wife. Now he is talking about his science teacher Shiva Subramania, he was very traditional, his orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative wife, and his wife was very conservative, was something of a rebel, and he did his best to break social barriers so that people from varying backgrounds could mingle easily. And that science teacher Shiva Subramania Iyer, actually he was orthodox Brahmin, traditional Brahmin, and was something of a rebel. He did, and he wanted to take rebel means revolt, and he did his best to break the social barriers. There were social barriers, and he wanted to break those barriers that so that people could mingle, people could meet each other, one another from the varying background. He used to spend hours with me and would say, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you are on par with the highly educated people of the big cities. And he used to spend hours with me, means that Shiva Subramania Iyer, the science teacher, would spend the time with Kalam, and he told Kalam that I want you to develop, means he told Kalam to develop Kalam himself so that you are on par, means you can be equal with the highly educated people, so that Kalam can be equal with the highly educated people, okay, of the big cities.